Okay, so I have this Wacaco Mini Espresso that I'm hoping to use it while I'm either traveling, in particular out backpacking or car camping. Everything's in this little, espresso hand pump unit, and this thing pops out so you can pump the unit, and all the necessary parts are in here as well, including the cup down here. So I like to, let's just say you got this thing and you give the information, and let's see how well this information is laid out. So I boiled some water over here, grinded some espresso beans. So let's begin. So first of all, boil water. Okay, done. Unscrew the water tank lid. Okay. All right, let's unscrew, which I've done. And then it's asking you to remove the brush, the spoon, and the drip tray from the water tank. Okay. So, this drip water tank, I suppose. And then, okay, there's the brush. And this, I know you slide out like so. Okay, so it kind of slides in and out. That's the coffee scoop. Okay, now next, unclip the coffee cup. So we have the coffee cup right here. I was going to use this nice in my espresso set, but let's keep it true and pretend we're out and about somewhere in a hotel or out in the woods. Okay. Next, unscrew the outlet head. Okay. So here's the outlet head. Just unscrew it like so. All right. Okay, there you have it. And then it says here, fill the scoop with coffee grounds. All right. So I set my espresso machine to grind this fine. This espresso mix. So there you have it. And flipping to the next page, it says here, position the outlet head on top of the spoon. Reverse to transfer all the powder or coffee into the outlet head. Okay, and tamp with the back of the spoon. And clean the outlet head rim to remove any coffee grind deposit. All right, so let's see. So I'm gonna put this on top, reverse, transfer. Okay, it could have been better. And then I'm gonna just tamp it. All right, I'm not getting, all right, making a bit of a mess. That's okay. And then, where's my brush? Okay. Very meticulous for that one perfect cup of espresso shot, but let's make it worthwhile. All right. I'm gonna tamp it a little bit more. Okay. All right, now got that done. What's next? Okay. It says here, screw back tightly the outlet head. All right. So there's the bottom. And let's screw that on. Okay. Good, done deal. All right. Next, add boiling water to the water tank. All right, so let's carefully pour this. Okay. So we got hot water poured. Take the cap, screw the water tank lid, avoid burning yourself. All right, there you go. Now, unlock the piston from its travel position by turning it clockwise, and then move the machine above the cup did as shown above. Start pumping slowly. The first 8 strokes build up the pressure. Continue pumping until reaching the desired amount of coffee. All right, so here we go. So move this aside, unlock this, and I'm going to position this over the cup. And I'm going to pump 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, think about 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42. It's a workout. 3, 44, 45, and still got water. 7, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. Okay, there we go. All right. I think that's all the water. And a little drip catcher. Okay, well, okay, there it is. All right, that's my espresso shot, and let's give it a try. You know, that's not half bad. That's actually pretty good. I remember when Alberto Tomba, the famous Italian slalom skier back in the 80s, would have a shot of espresso out of the starting gate before his run. And that's what it reminds me of. This is pretty good stuff. Thumbs up. I'll be taking this along with me on my trips. Well done. Boy, you guys, hats off to you, Wacaco.
Muy bien, aquí vamos a hacer un café con la cafetera Minipresso. Primero vamos a proceder a desarmarla para poder revisar que todas las partes están limpias y que todas las partes están listas para ser usadas. Y también vamos a hacerle primero un paso con agua caliente para casualmente preparar todo la cafetera, todos los espacios. Entonces procedemos a llenar el recipiente de agua con agua recién hervida sin haberle metido café, y lo que vamos es a generar el mismo esquema de trabajo. Y aquí, después de darle 8 veces, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, ahí ya empezamos a ver cómo la presión empieza a salir a través de la válvula y empieza a recibir el líquido, el recipiente donde lo vamos a tomar. En este caso estoy usando esta tacita. Cuando lo hago fuera de la casa, uso esta tacita que es la que viene y hago lo mismo, el mismo proceso de primero calentar todo el sistema, pasar el agua caliente por ahí y después generar un poco la presión aquí que tiene. Terminar de sacar, en este caso como hicimos el paso por la cafetera sin café, entonces queda también agua en estas partes, lo cual procedo a quitar y ahora voy a tirar el agua. Este agua también me sirvió para que casualmente la tacita se vaya atemperando. Ahora ya estamos de vuelta y tenemos aquí ya la taza sin el agua. Vamos a proceder a poner el café en el recipiente de la cafetera. En este caso voy a cargar tratando de evitar que se caiga mucho café fuera. Y para esto se puede usar también el dadito que trae la cucharita para cargarlo. Lo que pasa es que en este momento no la tengo aquí, estoy usando otra que tengo, pero el proceso es sencillo igual. Entonces aquí cargamos el café, ya tenemos entonces la cantidad de café que vamos a extraer. Ahora vamos a proceder a llenar el recipiente con el agua caliente que previamente hervimos, llegando siempre hasta la línea que está marcada. Si metemos más agua de la línea, se nos va a salir el agua cuando cerremos. No solo queremos evitar eso por un tema de ensuciar, sino sobre todo por un tema de que nos puede quemar. Ahora abrimos de nuevo la cafetera, empezamos aquí a bombear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 22. Con 32 veces que lo hemos bombeado, obtenemos este café, que la verdad el aroma está muy bien. Como pueden ver, tiene también un bonito color y una bonita crema. Y el sabor es el correcto del tipo de café que estoy usando. Y la extracción me parece que quedó muy bien. En este café que estoy usando, por tener una molienda fina, esta extracción me gusta más que la de la cafetera italiana que suelo usar. Y la espuma, la verdad es que me parece pues bastante mejor también que la que consigo con la cafetera italiana. Muy rico. Y el siguiente paso es limpiar la máquina igual que la limpié antes de hacer el primer café. Entonces vuelvo a abrir aquí, abro aquí también, saco el café, tiro los pozos del café y luego lleno esto de agua y vuelvo a darle un paso para casualmente limpiar la válvula y dejar todo el sistema limpio. Gracias.
Okay, we're not very deep. We're only at 20 meters. This is the wake. How do you say that?
That's the Wacaco Minipresso.
There you go, the Wacaco Minipresso. We have some nice beans right there ground up. I've already loaded the hopper here, and we're gonna do the hot water now. Here you go.
Okay.
We're gonna do it now. Let's see, man.
Should it be Starbucks music?
No. And this is what we want to use it in?
I don't know.
Is this what, do I have it mic'd up? I'll just use mine.
Yeah, it's always some sort of freaking jazz music.
Alright, here we go.
Come on, Wacaco.
I'm feeling it. She's building pressure. Come on. Come on.
There we go.
Oh, yeah. We got money. All right, man. Look at that. Oh.
Ooh, yeah, that looks
Dude, look at that, Christian.
Oh my god.
That is black gold right there.
This is helium-infused coffee espresso?
Yes,
Yeah.
it is. Sorry, I forgot to say we're in saturation somewhere in India.
Uh-oh, we gotta lock up. Nope.
I think I packed your beans too tight.
Oh, you packed your beans too tight, eh? Hey, this is a professional video.
Well, I've only used them on those beans there.
Okay.
Not these. These are, like I said, these are a little wetter than
Jesus,
normal.
wetter. What did you grade them to?
A 4, but like mine, I think I need a.
Oh yeah, it should have been 5.
Well, I'll just pack it a little less.
It's a little. Do you have one of these grinders also? No. But I've used Jason's before. Oh.
Okay, there we go. We lost it. But that was good. It
I
worked.
really like this thing. I want to get one.
There you go. Got a
Little
little
taste
crema.
test. Oh man, that looks delicious.
Just got a little of that cocoa left in it from last night. We had cocoa after the bell run.
Damn good.
That's good, man.
Oh, that's really good. It's good. Let's give it a try. Right, so that's because we don't have weed to pass around. Yeah, that's nice, yeah.
Well, this one you don't. That's why I thought
That
it
is
was
nice.
Alright, then you just throw the lid on there. Nothing came out because the pump was out, but if you had left the pump in, some stuff would come out. You actually released it. So, I would usually just use a shot glass or these little shot solo cups, but it does come with this for like when you're out camping, you don't have extra cups with you. So, I will say it's kind of hard to pump because you're making air pressure for coffee to come through. So, if you have difficulty hand pumping things, I don't think this would be for you. But some people make stands with like a crank you can use, which will automatically pump it. But just the first time you do it, it's really easy. But like you'll notice, the more you pump it, the more difficult it gets because it's adding the air pressure. And then there you go. Now you want to pump it like with a shot glass. It's kind of easy to tell like how much you need to pump. For this, because you're only getting a shot, I would only pump it until you start to see that liquid there, where it's kind of like white and see-through. You just put it on a strip tray, slide over, and then you have a shot. Not the best espresso, not the worst.
actually, this is a mini presso, and actually I bought it. It's nice, but there is a big issue about it. That this water tank, actually, it's when I close it, including the hot water, when I type it like this, it keeps opening, which is a problem, and that's why I hurt my hand lots of times for making a nice cup of espresso. But honestly speaking, the espresso that comes out of this very nice light machine is very nice, actually. But this is a big issue for me because I haven't used it except maybe 20 times. After 20 times this happens, no, this is a big issue about it. So please, Minipresso, please, this is very bad. You should take care of it.
It's not even wet.
Everything that you do is better, it's true. Things go better with coffee. Things go faster with coffee. You can avert a disaster on coffee. Wake up, little Susie, stop feeling so woozy. Things go better with coffee. It's no tea for me, no caffeine free. It's COF, COF, COFFEE. When I need.
So, if you guys lost that little cap, you guys can always use the little cap right here. Pressure on it. Fits right well.